Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your Apple Watch is updated and has at least 20% charge. That avoids interruptions. Once done, raise your wrist and press the digital crown to access apps. Open the stopwatch and select the chronograph or analog lap style. This sets how laps and hands behave, which matters for accuracy. Make sure you understand the selected display because it determines if you use single button or tap gestures to record laps, so you won't waste time correcting mode mid-activity. You'll press Start to begin the chronograph. This initializes both the main timer and lap memory. As you go, tap lap for each split. That records a timestamp without stopping the main timer, which is why laps are essential for interval work. If you need more detail, rotate the digital crown to zoom or change readout density so you can read tenths or full seconds. Make sure to keep wrist movement minimal when tapping so you don't accidentally pause or miss a split. When finished, tap stop and then save to preserve your lap data. That stores splits for later analysis. You can review the lap list directly on the watch or open the paired iPhone's fitness or stopwatch logs to export or compare times. This helps you analyze pacing. If the chronograph freezes or ignores taps, try force restarting the watch or force quitting the stopwatch app. This clears transient software hangs so you don't lose subsequent sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.